Is he stuck or is he... I should send this to the company. You said this was a Squirrel Flinger. He's hanging on with all four legs.
He does not have to let go. Oh my gosh. Sure, all my nervous things are there. Me too. You do. Really? Here.
This is a world's record. He's gone around over 200 times. How could he still hold on?
I don't know. I can't believe that. I wonder if it's the same squirrel.
I wonder if he's dead. He's just stuck on there. Oh, look, he changed positions now. Oh, he's not going to make it.
There he goes. He's so,
Oh, look at him. He's a flying squirrel.
oh, oh, Mark, look.
Man, I'd be crawling too after a ride like that.
Oh my gosh, he was like flat. Oh God.
He's wondering what world he's in.
Oh, look at him. He can barely move.
He's just flopped on the rock. He's going, was that worth it?
Oh my gosh.
Either that or he's the dumbest squirrel in the world and didn't know to you're supposed to let go.
He wasn't sure where he was going to land. It's not a soft landing on that.
Look at him, he's got both feet hanging off the back of the rock. He's laying on his
Mark,
belly.
He might be dead. He might be dying.
We didn't choose for him to stay on. He made that
We
decision.
were laughing. I need to go.
He's probably throwing up on the other side of that rock.